Today we'll be looking at how to attach one of our direct fit light sources to a standard research grade microscope. We have a range of adapters designed to fit most of the standard manufacturers. We take our light source and first attach our control pod and power cable. We then, using the adapter supplied, attach to the microscope in the method that your manufacturer uses. Now turning the light source on and setting the focus. Now that your sample is in focus, we are loosening the thumb screw on top of the light source and adjusting the sliding position to achieve maximum homogeneity. When this is achieved, lock down the thumb screw, and that will be the correct position whilst the light source is used on this microscope. Changing the magnification won't affect this position. Thank you for watching this cool Ed tutorial video.